3 photo manipulation mistakes that you are doing, probably. And I will not include basic things like using smart objects, the right stock images, or the right perspectives. By avoiding these, I really believe it saved me countless of hours in Photoshop or Affinity. The mistakes I will list here though are more important and fundamental in my opinion. I think because of this I was able to create this as my first artwork. Mistake number 1, not taking enough inspiration. A lot of beginners think that looking at other artists' work or referencing existing images is somehow cheating, but that mindset would hold you back. Every great designer, photographer or digital artist takes inspiration. Before I start any photo manipulation, I spend time collecting references, images, lighting styles, even compositions that inspire me. The key here is to understand what works, and then you can give it your own twist. Mistake number 2, not taking enough breaks. Sometimes you will hit a creative wall, and that's completely normal. I've had plenty of moments where I'm working on a photo manipulation and suddenly nothing looks right. The composition feels off, the colors don't click, and I start overthinking every detail. What really helps is stepping away for a bit, take a few hours off, or even a couple of days if you need it. Go outside, get some air, do something completely different. When you come back, you'll see your artwork with fresh eyes, and usually all the mistakes and improvements become super obvious. Sometimes the best thing you can do for your creativity is to walk away for a while. Mistake number 3, not learning from the masters. Especially when you're starting out, it's totally fine and actually really valuable to learn by copying the artists you admire. I know a lot of people think that's cheating, but it's not. It's one of the best ways to understand techniques, lighting, compositing, and workflow. When I started, I'd watch tutorials and speed arts from creators I looked up to, pause along the way and try to recreate exactly what they did. By doing that, you train your eye, your muscle memory, and your creative decision making. Over time, you'll start to mix in your own ideas, and that's when your unique style begins to form. And here's a little bonus tip, one that might go against what some say. When you're learning photo manipulation, lighting, and color grading, don't be afraid to push things too far. Go crazy with the colors, make the lighting dramatic, exaggerate your effects, because that's how you learn what works and what doesn't. Over time, you naturally develop an eye for subtlety and learn when to dial it back. If you look at a lot of great artists, their early works were wild and over the top, but that's what helped them master control later on. Just overdo it and learn to refine it later. So don't let perfectionism or subtlety stop your growth. In the beginning, experiment, go bold, make mistakes, and have fun with it.